turmeric and honey treatment for joint pain. Experts in natural medicine claim that the simple combination of turmeric and honey is priceless. Together they form a treatment that's full of antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes that are excellent at reducing inflammation and easing joint pain. If you suffer from joint pain or bone density loss, start today and add this wonderful combination to your regular diet. Unlike the occasional painkillers, antibiotics, and other drugs to reduce inflammation or cope with infections, taking turmeric and honey won't have any negative side effects. They also don't affect your liver or the natural flora in your intestines. In today's article we're going to talk about some of the amazing benefits of these two natural ingredients that you should always keep around the house. Turmeric and honey, an ancient treatment for joint pain. Just a tablespoon a day of turmeric and honey can have amazing benefits for your health. Nevertheless, it's important to understand that in order to see benefits in people who have arthritis or osteoarthritis, you have to be consistent with this treatment and take it for at least 2 weeks straight. While it's true that turmeric has its origin in Asian countries, today you can find it almost anywhere. There have also been many studies that support its medicinal qualities and benefits when it comes to treating a variety of ailments. According to a study that was published in 2000 by the Department of Molecular Biology at the University of Granada, Spain, turmeric can naturally and effectively fight bacteria that attacks the body. Up until today there have been many more studies carried out to determine what the daily amount of turmeric should be in order to fight the accumulation of a protein known as beta-amyloid, which eventually converts to plaque and is associated with degenerative diseases. Thanks to its high antioxidant content, however, turmeric is highly recommended as a natural treatment for inflammation and preventing the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Let's see what you can get when you combine a little honey with turmeric. An anti-inflammatory treatment. Turmeric combined with honey prevents the release of compounds that trigger inflammation and promote the buildup of prostaglandins. Both ingredients are naturally effective in preventing bone density loss. They control the release of certain proteins that are present with inflammation and can cause deterioration of both the bone itself and the cartilage surrounding it. One of the most important effects these two ingredients have is that they act in a similar way as many other medications, both steroid-based and non-steroid. Both honey and turmeric reduce histamine production in the body and raise your natural cortisol levels to fight all inflammation without any negative side effects. Strengthen your immune system. If there is one essential element of treating problems associated with arthritis and osteoarthritis, it's the ability to fight pathogens that can occur when your joints become inflamed, which causes joint pain. When you have a strong and healthy immune system, it makes it easier to deal with the pain these disorders cause that might otherwise limit your daily activities. Still, it's important to remember that these disorders have no cure. What you want to get from this kind of natural treatment is to improve your quality of life, and something as simple as consuming honey and turmeric will help. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and vitamins C and E, which help improve your body's natural defenses. According to a study conducted by researchers at the University of Copenhagen, Denmark, turmeric contains an antimicrobial peptide known as CAMP, which helps your immune system fight off various bacteria, viruses, or fungi without ever having encountered them before. Honey, in the meantime, is a natural antibiotic that's been used for centuries to strengthen your immune system and cope with many diseases. As we indicated above, however, this treatment is only effective if you take it consistently. Preparing a honey and turmeric treatment. Ingredients: 1/4 cup of pure honey, 100 grams. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 10 grams. Utensils: 1 glass container with a lid. Preparation: the most important thing is that you purchase the most pure and natural honey available. Sometimes the varieties you find at the grocery store contain a lot of added sugars that can cause more harm than good. Possible: buy your honey directly from a beekeeper. This treatment is as simple as it gets. Just add the pure honey to your glass container and then add the tablespoon of turmeric. Stir until well mixed and take a tablespoon of this incredible combination every morning. If you are taking medications that thin your blood, however, it's best to first talk to your doctor before adding any turmeric to your diet.